Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with Sauce here. Look at this. One off, unique.
All right. Stay
Finished this
tuned.
morning. Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, awesome.
All right. So I got 4 of these guys printed. You see 2 here, but I printed 4, as you can see right here. And I'm priming them with some black primer. And then I'll go back later and do a zenithal. But on the body, I don't have the body out here. I just got the legs and the dick shields or the skirts. But after I prime the skirts and the legs, now I'll go over with a stainless steel spray. This worked out pretty good. I found it at Lowe's. The body I did in a gray because I'm doing a zenithal with the white, so that when I spray over the white, I'm gonna spray red first. And it's best if you have a light color like white when you're applying red, because it won't look like there's black under that red, and it just doesn't look good when you spray red on black. Unless it's intended, but for this, I didn't want that. Now I'm doing my red base, and then I'll go back and highlight them and low light them just like I would with any skin tone, except I'll be using a darker red and some orange. And you can see I'm doing the low lights with a darker tone. I added a little maroon to the red just to give it that darker tone. Now I'm adding orange to it and going with almost like a zenithal, but these are the highlights. I know I sounded stupid by saying zenithal because it's the same thing. Now I'm gonna take that same orange and I'm gonna go and paint the lightsaber in the middle. And then I'm gonna go with reds on the outside. And if you see that mess I have up there on my desk, it's because I was getting about 15 different things painted for Comic-Con that weekend. Hard to believe it's almost been a week since I was going that hard, and my body's just now recovering. Here I'm attempting to get his body markings knocked out, and I believe it took an hour and a half for each print to do the body markings. They weren't easy. You could see through the black on here, but that's okay. I'm gonna go over with another coat, but I say it's okay because the skin under that black is red, and it's a marking. I don't know if he was born like. I mean, yeah, he was born like that, but I don't know, if it looks like tattoo, and you can still see, his skin under that. But I look at my tattoos and I still see skin under it. But in the end, all worked out. When you paint yours, you do it exactly how you want to do. But this is the way I'm doing it. And after doing 4 of these guys, I believe that's a wrap. Hey everyone, it's your boy Sarge back with another one. This time I got Darth Maul. I made 4 of them, as you see in the video. I got 1 left. They all got sold at Comic-Con, and this one was signed by Ray Park himself, the actor who was in the movie, and he was pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys like this. This was done by Sanix, and I haven't done a Sanix one in a while, but I knew he was coming up, and this was like the best Darth Maul out there for me. I know there's others, but I just wanted this pose right here, like a museum pose. I didn't need anything dynamic, and this one definitely impressed a lot of people, and I am very, very happy to have this signed by Ray Park. I'm going to be doing some more sculptures in the next week or so. I have a lot on my plate, because I did get commissioned for a few things that will make it to video, and you will be seeing those soon. But stay tuned with me, and the show's gonna keep going. I'm exhausted. I was so exhausted from the weekend from Comic-Con. I went to the gym Monday night, and I finished my workout at 12:30 after midnight. And I ran into a guy that I met at Comic-Con. He was just getting there. So before I leave, sometimes I go to the massage table, and I went to the little massage chair to go and get a massage. And I look at my iPad for the 10 minutes that it runs, and I laid my iPad on my chest after 2 minutes, and I woke up, and I got up, and I asked the guy in the front, my guy Leon, I said, "Bro, why didn't you wake me up?" He goes, "Oh man, I forgot you was back there." So the guy from Comic-Con that I met, Bryson, he was just finished his workout. I said, "Hey bro, how long did you work out?" He said, 2 hours. So I slept for 2 hours on a massage bed at the gym. It was an unbelievable story when I came home, but it really happened. But yeah, I slept for 2 hours. It was 2:40 when I got home. But I'm back, and I'm ready to get some stuff done. So you guys stay tuned and subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell notification. Check my Patreon for new content soon also, and I really appreciate everybody that support me, and I will keep it coming. So thank you for everything. All right. So here we go. Peace out. Everybody, made it to Comic-Con again. Hope you guys get to check out a Comic-Con in your area. But if you're in Virginia, so come see me. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with Sauce here. Look at this. One off, unique.
All right, stay
Finished this
tuned.
morning. Awesome.
Thank you. All right, me and DJ walking around. Finally get to walk around at the con. Second day. See what other people got. Little 3D printers.
I got ragdoll.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Hold up, some nice painted ones. Nice. Cell shading. Nice. He's a dragon.
You're talking
Hey. Really? What's up? Oh, you like it? Appreciate it. Man, yeah, man. That was it was worth it. Cause we almost didn't get in. They was trying to put us out the line as we're standing in front of him. Yeah. I already paid. Yeah. I was like, no, man. He was like, no, come on. I was like, thank you. Thanks for being cool. And my friend that was, he came from Fayetteville. We went to high school together, so he came all the way up here to get it. Yeah. Man, I gotta get my FDM back running, man. Man, that really right there, that's pretty smooth. What layer height is that? What layer height is that? Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. That looks good. My printers just stay down. I just can't keep it running. That's going good. Oh, shit. Man. What's going on, fellas?
They come over here and ask.
Yeah.
What up? What up?
Y'all got a whole little command center here. What's up?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. You met my son?
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel some kind of way about that. I know, right? Man, man, they kept giving us a runaround about the autographs. I finally got in like last second. Yeah.
What was they talking about?
He kept leaving. And then
Who's he trying to get an autograph?
Ray Park. Oh, I got it. He signed my Darth Maul.
Nice.
We made a little video.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. He was cool, man.
Did he like it?
He loved it.
Oh yeah, I
Oh
bet
yeah.
he did.
Yeah, he loved it. I couldn't. Yeah, he was amazed.
We decided we got rocks, pops, and flames.
Yeah.
We got a bunch of other stuff. He's like, it's making money, so.
I bet. Man. Oh, that DJ, you need to get that one for your mom.
No, I said she's trying to.
She's trying to sell. She got my ex-wife. She got a whole room
of specifically Wonder Woman. But she's trying to make
but that one,
she has most of the Wonder Woman.
she got that one.
She got that one?
Like I can't even buy her anymore because I'm probably not buying the same one she already
So
has.
I'm gonna tell.
He's a
Oh really? Oh, I stopped. Hey, very good. How are you doing? Hey, how's it going? Nice setup, Cheyenne.
Thank you.
No doubt.
I just got here, so I have to reset everything else.
Oh man. Man, I remember you used to make these in school. I remember you used to make this stuff in school too. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was always looking over your shoulder.
I appreciate it, Sarge.
No doubt, no doubt.
And again, hit me up.
I know.
Definitely want
I appreciate it. Did you see my stuff over
I
here?
did. It's really good.
Thank you. I was able to
Do me a favor. Squeeze. Swooze.
A martial artist has to take